kind of move is that? Can you girls put your arms up over your heads and do an arabesque? A pirouette? Can you do a pirouette? Can your doll do a pirouette? Can your baby do a pirouette? There, she can do it.
Are you okay? I don't think so.
What a cute little tail. Can you shake your booty? Let me turn around and shake your booty at the camera. Very cute. Very cute.
I got a good thing. I got a good idea.
What's that?
I'll dance. I'll dance.
Okay.
You are my best
Okay, can you do a little curtsy bow? Like you're done, like you do at ballet? Look at the camera and do a little curtsy bow. Put your leg behind the other. There you go.